How to fix Adobe Creative Cloud for macOS not uninstalling. To uninstall Adobe Creative Cloud on a macOS using a script file, you can follow these steps. 1. Open TextEdit or your preferred text editor. 2. Copy and paste the following commands into the text editor. #bin/bash #uninstall Adobe Creative Cloud sudo/usr/local/bin/acc_cleanup.sh sudo/usr/local/bin/adobe_prtk tool equals cleanup all sudo rmrf/application/utility/adobe_creative_cloud/uninstaller.app sudo rmrf/application/adobe_creative_cloud sudo rmrf/library/application/support/adobe/creative/cloud sudo rmrf/library/application/support/adobe/OOBE sudo rmrf/library/application/support/adobe/SLCache sudo rmrf/library/application/support/adobe/SLStore sudo rmrf/library/cache/adobe/creative/cloud sudo rmrf/library/cache/com.adobe.AdobeCreativeCloud sudo rmrf/library/cache/com.adobe.CreativeCloudInstaller sudo rmrf/library/log/adobe/creative/cloud sudo rmrf/library/log/adobe/installer sudo rmrf/library/log/creative/cloud sudo rmrf/library/preferences/adobe/creative/cloud sudo rmrf/library/preferences/com.adobe.AdobeCreativeCloud.list sudo rmrf/library/preferences/com.adobe.mac.list sudo rmrf/library/preferences/com.adobe.creativecloud.list sudo rmrf/library/preferences/com.adobe list sudo rmrf/library/save \state/application/state/com.adobe.creativecloud.save state 3 save the file with a.sh extension example uninstall_adobe.creativecloud.sh to your desired location. 4. Open terminal on your Mac. 5. Navigate to the location where you saved the script file by using the cd command followed by the path to the folder, example cd/downloads. 6. Make the script file executable by entering the command mod +x uninstall_adobe.creativecloud.sh. 7. Run the script file by entering the command /uninstall_adobe.creativecloud.sh. 8. Enter your administrator password when prompted to confirm the uninstallation. This script file will remove Adobe Creative Cloud and all associated files and preferences from your Mac. Please note that this script should be used with caution and only if you are sure you want to completely uninstall Adobe Creative Cloud. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.